Cody Webb, I had a great day besides a flat tire. We're out here at King of Motos, and third time out here for the event, and last year I won it, and this year I need to make sure I made a fact of what happened last year. And I rode great today, I had a great start, I think that was the key, and I just got off to my own race. And unfortunately I got a flat tire like the last, I don't know, maybe 12 miles or so. So I had to like baby it back in. I kept looking behind me to make sure there's no dust or anyone catching me. So it was a great day.